Today we're featuring a 2013 Nissan Sentra SV. It's got a clean Carfax one owner. It's got 82,000 miles on it. All right, and they got it on sale for $8,800. It's kind of cherry red metallic in color. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around. Make our way down the driver's side here. Everything looks like it's in good shape. Rear of the vehicle looks good. No problems there. Make our way down the passenger side here. Everything looks solid. All right. No issues. All right, let's go ahead and check out the interior. We got the black on black door panels, the plastic down here, but the nice cloth up top. All right, power locks, power windows, black cloth for the driver's seat. All right, got the nice trim, the cool design on the insert there. Driver's seat looks good. It does come with a keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat looks good too. No problems there. It is an automatic. Got your climate control area there, AM, FM, CD player there. It does have steering wheel audio controls. All right, let's go ahead and check out your mileage. Okay, it's got 82,668 miles on it. Go ahead and show you this again now that we've got it started up here. And there's your climate control area, AM, FM, CD. We've had the air conditioner going now for about 10 minutes. AC's blowing nice and cold. All right, let's go ahead and check out the back seat. Let's get your trunk pump. All right, let's go ahead and check out the back. Back seat looks good. No problems at all. Go ahead and lower this down for you. Got the cup holders there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view. Everything laid out really nicely. Go ahead and check out your trunk space. Carpet back here looks good, nice and clean. I'll step to the side and let you see the depth. A lot of storage back there. All right, let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. We've got, let's see what size. We've got 16-inch steel wheels. All right, Nissan hubcaps on there. Brand new set of Goodyear tires. All right, plenty of tread left there. All right, once again, it's a 2013. All right, Nissan Sentra SV. 82,000 miles on it. All right, clean Carfax. They're wanting $8,800 for it. Really nice vehicle, clean on the inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.